Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's November 28th, 2024. Today I want to give you an initial review of some items that I bought, accessories that I bought for the Cybertruck. This is Thor behind me back here, our 2024 all-wheel drive Cybertruck. And a couple of things I purchased from Teslaunch, and I think they're located in China. And like many of the accessories for the Cybertrucks and the Teslas are from China, but that hasn't stopped me because I've gotten some really good quality accessories so far. So what I ordered November 1st, I ordered a foldable vault cargo bins and the vault cargo divider. So that's what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you these items today, and I'll tell you what I think, my initial impressions so far. So here we go. Okay, the first thing we're going to look at is the vault divider here. Let me get up in the back of the truck. So one thing I will say is that all of these items are much less expensive when you buy them from the other suppliers, and these were from Teslaunch, as I mentioned, than from purchasing them from the Tesla store. One of the things that I'll also mention is I do have a bed liner in here that matches the original bed here, just so that when I'm hauling stuff, I'm not scraping that up. And of course, down below is the sub vault down there as well. So this is our cargo divider. I believe it's made out of aluminum. This is, let me see if I can. So it's made out of aluminum, and I think this is probably better than the one that you can get from the Tesla shop. It's aluminum. I believe this is a powder coat. I'm not positive. It has adjustable feet, which from what I understand, the one from the Tesla shop itself does not have the adjustable feet, and therefore can be more of a challenge trying to get it to separate. Now, all of these little square holes that you see here, these are molly holes. So I have different, and so this is so that you can attach different items to this. Now I have different pouches that I keep tools in and other materials in that are Velcro strapped to these sorts of things. I have it in my seats, in my heavy equipment. So this has really worked out. These have really worked out a lot. This is much less expensive than buying the one at the Tesla shop. I have a bed liner in here on top of the bed, and it will fit any place along the whole bed. And I hope to get some of the molly panels that go on each side over here in the future, but we'll see how things work out. So that right there, I think, is an A+ rating right there, and I paid full price. Now they were on sale, but I paid full price for them, for all of these items. The second item are these cargo bins here. Now these are collapsible cargo bins, and I bought 6 of them. Here, I'll show you. So the cover comes off, and push the sides in. It collapses down to a nice compact size. So there's 3 right there, and there's 3 full-size ones back here. I think they're really great. I don't know how well they're going to hold up here in the northeastern part of the United States here, where we get these cold winter temperatures, and I'll show you why. One of these actually has a chip. When it arrived, here it is. So the package had been handled roughly. All right, let me just talk about the packaging. So the packaging for the cargo divider was packaged extremely well. All 6 of these were collapsed down, so they're just twice as high as these 3 here. And you could see that the cardboard had been damaged some during shipping and all. And I couldn't tell until I got it out and I worked with this that I could see that the chips were underneath the plastic when it pain. Now, I like collapsible bins, and I think that these can be absolutely fantastic for storing things when you need them. And we haul a lot of different things. I mean, when I'm doing we also sell used books, and so when I'm picking up books or transporting books, they can go in here. When I'm going out back, I'm getting different tools and different supplies to work on different projects in different locations. If I got to go over to the rental property or whatever, I can put the materials in here. So it's just much easier to have a system like this where I can, open and close these. Now, I believe, bear with me. Now we have bins that are somewhat similar to this that don't have tops, that are heavier duty plastic, and they have so I don't think that they would crack, but they're for our produce and farming supplies. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you'll see me bringing potatoes, sweet potatoes, all sorts of different produce and all root materials in them, and they can handle a lot of weight. I think these will hold up pretty well. These are like a fraction of the price of the ones that you'd buy at the Tesla store. Now, I think the ones at the Tesla store, if you were to put 3 of them next to each other, it would completely fill up. There wouldn't be a void over here, I think. But, I'm not, once I get the Molly panels that go on the sides of the Cybertruck, I'll have other equipment stacked to them. And you can put them twice as tall as well. The only problem I would say is that because of the slant going up to the cab, they don't go all the way up if you're going to double stack them. And of course, you can just put the cargo divider right here to keep them in place, and then you still have more place for other materials as well. And you can put them side by side as well in here. So you can use these storage devices in several different ways. So let me just put these back here for right now. So I'm pretty happy with these. Do I wish that these cargo bins, the collapsible cargo bins, were packed better? Yes. Do I wish that the plastic was a little heavier duty? Yes. But we'll see how these work out. I think they're a pretty good deal. I got them on discount. There was a discount, and right now it's Thanksgiving time. I'm sure there'll be more discounts. And there'll be other people who have actually been sponsored by them. I'm not sponsored by them, and I paid the full price, the sale price for them. But I'm sure that you can go to Teslaunch and find discounts for these. This I'm really impressed with. I think it's fantastic. Well, that's it for today's video, folks. You're always going to get my honest impressions, first impressions, and eventually I'll do a follow-up video with these items. I'm sure the cargo divider is going to be fantastic. I love the adjustable feet on it. I love that it works with the bed liner. I love that it's less expensive than the Tesla store itself. And the bins, we'll see how well. I wish they had packaged them a little bit better, but they came from China. Took almost 4 weeks to get here, but that's to be expected. The cracks, I did send them an email hoping that they'll, either send me a replacement bin for the one bin that was damaged. So we'll see. But all in all, no complaints. I think that these are worth the investment based on what I see so far. We'll see after I use them for a few months what I think as well. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.